Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Thank you for tuning in. Today I've got Lancaster Bomber for you. There we go, issues 23 and 24. We got the engine, of course. There we go. There she is, little beauty. I have taken a couple of components off because we need to attach them onto a header tank that goes at the front here. So I've taken them off, make it a lot easier to get into place. But anyway, first of all, let's have a look at the instructions for issue 23. Okie doke, stage 23, we have bearers and radiator. Engine bearers are fitted and a radiator and other details are attached to the engine. There we go, not a fantastic lot to it. That is what we're left with. There we go, there's that header tank. There's a couple of pieces, coolant pipes, that's it, 21K and 21L. Those are the two pieces I've taken off. Put them on the header tank first and then pop them into place. They were difficult to put in the first place then. There are the rest of the magazine, number 44 Squadron, and the Heinkel HE111. Yep, nice story about that. Or interesting anyway. Shock absorber, struts, retraction pistons and attachments, starboard main wheel, tie and wheel hubs, hinge, pins, wheel axle and pliers. That's coming in stage 24. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out. So there we go, those are the parts. We have the engine bearer starboard and port side. We have the radiator front and back. We have the radiator shuttle control, and with the header tank front and back. And we have the frame connector. That's for them two pieces. So the first thing we need is this piece, 23A, and that fits into two little slots there and there on the engine. Will fit just like that. This little connector will fit on to there. Yeah, it is a rubber, just like that. And this one will fit just here. Now there is a pipe in the way there. You're supposed to put the pipe in that position. See that? Yeah, I can just see it there. Yeah, and that's supposed to connect into that little frame connector. But we need to glue these into place. So I'll get some super glue. So I'll just pop a little bit of glue onto there and there. And then we'll get this into position. Just there like so. Now before that sets fully, leave that there like that. We'll put the other frame in place. And we'll get some glue on there and there. And we'll get this into position. You see that little pipe here? That there, it's got to be down. So this side of the connector, like that. There we go, we can pop that together with that frame connector. Just like that, that should hold that. Nice and bonny. Excellent, that wasn't too bad, was it? That glue will set nicely now. Pop that to one side for now. Next we need the radiator. Two pegs on it for the inside. One is bigger than the other. We'll try this first without putting glue on it. Will that come apart? Yeah, it will. We need a little bit of glue on that, I think. Pop just a little bit on there and a little bit on there, and then we can pop these together. There we go. Excellent. Just give that a second or two to set. Next we can fit this radiator onto the engine. Pop a little bit of glue on that tab. There we go, get this the right way around. And basically it goes just there, like that. That's a nice solid fit. That's looking brilliant. Pop that to one side, because now we need the header tank. There we go, two pieces of the header tank, they're just joined together. Just like that. I don't think we need any glue for that. But this is where we need those coolant pipes. Okay, here we have the two coolant pipes. I'm just going to pop these into place like that, and then glue them, and then we'll put the header tank onto the engine. Okay, that's the two coolant pipes in place like that. Now all I need to do is pop this header tank there, like that. Now I'll have to glue them two coolant pipes to keep that in position. So I'll get a little bit of glue onto there and there, and we can pop this header tank into place. There we go, that's that header tank in place. And not forgetting it connects up to here as well. Little pipe here for that end. Excellent. Now, nearly did forget this little piece. This goes across here. This is 23E. Okay, so 23E fits just across the frame. There are two slots in it. There we go. Just like that. Now that's lined up nicely. I need to glue that and get that into a glue position. There we go. Looking brilliant. So again, just a little bit of glue onto there, and there we can reposition this again. There we go. Excellent. Line that up. Get that correct angle. I think that's correct there, like that. Brilliant. There we go. So that is stage 23. Yeah, that header tank. Them two coolant pipes are really fiddly. But it's best to put them on the header tank first and then pop them onto the engine. There we go. And that's that radiator and that frame. Excellent. That is all nicely tightened up. Brilliant. So let's move on to stage 24. Okay, dokes, stage 24. We have, there's a little pamphlet. Issues 24 and 25. Due to assembly problems, we have had to make some last minute modifications to some of the parts in issues 24 and 25. In issue 24, we have changed the retraction pistons. There we go, those are those in the bags. We've got two pins as well. Please use the parts in the plastic bag labelled 24SP, substitute parts, and discard parts 24B in the cardboard box. In issue 25, we have changed the strut joints 2 times part 25C. Please use the parts in the plastic bag labelled 25SP. And discard parts 25C in the cardboard box. We've also supplied you with spare hinge pins 2 times parts 24H, 2 times parts 24D. Excellent. There we go. So we have the first undercarriage. Work starts on the assembly of the starboard landing gear and the first wheel is attached. And we get some pliers as well. Got plenty of pliers nowadays. So there we go. Fill little pins. There's a little tip. I use heat shrink on mine. We've got 2 pair with a heat shrink on them. Stops you marking any paintwork, putting teeth marks on anything. There we go, that's what we're left with. Excellent. And then we have lack of moral fibre. Yeah, that is a very interesting story. Shuttle bombing. Excellent. And then your next set of parts: retraction struts, jacks, joints and hinge pins for the undercarriage. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. So here are our parts. There we go. Oh, nice big fat wheel. There are, our pliers. Exactly the same as what I've already got. So those are 24B, so put them out of the way. There we go, those are the parts. Here we have 24A. This is the shock absorber struts. We have 2 retraction pistons. Those are the replacement parts, substitute parts. Here we have 24C, 2 attachments for the pistons. And then we have the 2 retraction struts, starboard main wheel, inner hub and outer wheel hub, 6 hinge pins which are in here, and we have the wheel axle and obviously the pliers. Excellent. Okay, now first things first, we need 24A and we need 24C. Now 24C goes over there into that position, and we'll put a piston in between this with a pin. Get that there like so. Give me a bit of a fight, that one. And we put the piston in between there, and we need one of the pins 24H to go through that. Okay, I've got one of the pins on the pliers. Now we put the smooth end in first, and then we can get it into that hole, if it will go for me. It's a bit of a toughie, that one, I think. Oh, it has gone. I didn't think it wanted to go then. I'll have to pinch it back out a bit more. There we go, get the piston in. There we go. Yep, and get the other pliers with the heat shrink on, and hopefully, press that into place. There we go. That's gone through. Excellent. Brilliant. That's that in place. Excellent. Let's do the other one. So exactly the same again. 24C. Put that over there. Press that into place. Just like that. And then we need another pin. Smooth end first. And get this. Let's see if it goes through first. Yep, bit of a fight that, to be honest. It's got to make its mark. Pull it out a little bit more. There we go. And now we can get the piston into place and push the pin back through. And the other pliers nicely lined up. Excellent. There we go. That's the two pistons in place. Excellent stuff. Bit fiddly, but there we go. Excellent. Okay, now we need the extraction strut, and that basically will fit that piston out of the way and that one out of the way into here, just like that. And we need another pin 24C to keep that in place. Same as before. Pin, pliers, and we need the strut. Make sure you get the strut the correct way around as well. Put the strut into that position there. Get the pin through, hopefully. Oops, it's come out. Let's try that again. And the pin through there. Get that lined up, there we go. Get that pressed in. Excellent, that's that strut in place. Let's get the next one, and we need another pin. Get that through there. That's the smooth side as always. There we go. That one's gone in. No problem. There we go. That's them two struts in place. Looking brilliant. Now we need the wheel. Okay, I'll just put that to one side. We've got the wheel and the two hubs, and basically that will go there like that, and the other one will fit just there like so. And then we can move them struts out of the way, and they move freely. That's brilliant. And then we need to get this over the two hubs and get a pin all the way through. So press that into place. There we go. Just like that. I think that's lined up nicely. There we go. That's looks to be fully lined up now. Let's get the pin through. Smooth side first. Was lined up. There, I can see some daylight through the other end now. There we go. Get some pressure on that. There we go. That is the first wheel. Excellent stuff. Everything moves brilliant. Fantastic. Looking brilliant. Them two little pistons as well. Let's go that one out of there. There we go. Everything is moving around it. Fantastic. So nothing too tight. Brilliant stuff. So there we go. There is stage 23 with the engine, oil radiator, that bracket there, and that header in place with the two coolant pipes all connected up nice and bonny. It's exactly how it should be. And then we have the first landing wheel. Brilliant. Fiddly pins. We've got 4 pins spare as well, so we'll keep them to one side. Excellent stuff. Well, there we go, guys. Looking absolutely brilliant. I love that little engine. Looks absolutely fantastic, is it not? Yeah, it's going to be fiddly, gluing everything in place, but it's all nicely in place. And the pins weren't too bad, actually. Yeah, and he rolls along. Brilliant. Excellent. Fantastic stuff. And like I said before, some spare pins. Right, now I've got 25 and 26, so I'll do that next and get that up on the channel. Probably be after the England football match, that one will come onto the channel. But there we go. Anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for 25 and 26. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.